Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing delicious dessert recipe for you guys so you can try it on Eid. I am making Rasmalai cake. Same soft rasmalai kind of cake with cardamom infused milk. You can describe this cake as Rasmalai cake meets rasmalai. And today two other fellow YouTubers are collaborating with me for this Eid dessert. I have the host Nadia Tariq and she is making date filled cookies. Look at these delicious cookies. And then I have Falak from the homemaker baker and she is making classic traditional sheer kurma. So after you are done watching my recipe, please go and check out their channel and check their recipe out. I will leave both of the links down below. Now let's go and see what we need for this rasmalai cake. So let's start a recipe. Bismillah. First I'm adding dry ingredients in a bowl. I'm adding all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt and sift them, and then I will add cardamom powder, elaichi powder. Mix everything well and put this on the side. Here I already separated egg whites with egg yolk. I'm adding egg yolk in a stand mixture bowl, adding half of the sugar which I need for this recipe. Start mixing with the whisk attachment and mix until you have this pale yellow mixture for like 2 to 3 minutes, adding vanilla essence and milk. Mix well again until everything is just combined. Now transfer this egg yolk mixture into our dry ingredients and start folding with a very light hand until everything is fully combined. Then put this mixture on the side, and now we will transfer egg whites into clean and dry stand mixture bowl. Add the remaining sugar and start mixing with the whisk attachment until you have soft and pillowy peaks like so. Transfer this egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture and start folding until they are barely combined. And then I will transfer this mixture into a prepared pan. I'm taking 13 by 9 inch pan which I just greased. Then just smooth the top, shake a little bit and put it in the oven which is already preheated on 350 degrees, and I will bake this cake for 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Then transfer it onto a wire rack and leave it on a wire rack for 15 minutes. Then I'm just loosen up the edges with the spatula, and then I invert this cake onto a wire rack, and then I will let it cool down completely. Till then we're gonna go and make a tres leche or 3 milk. I am adding heavy whipping cream, condensed milk and evaporated milk in a bowl. I'll add some cardamom powder in there as well and mix well. To make sure you mix the evaporated milk very well before putting it in there, otherwise it will have a milk solids. Now in the same baking pan, I just line it with some plastic sheet, so when I need to lift up my cake it will be very easier. Transfer the cool cake in there and start poking the holes in the cake with the skewer. You can do that with the fork as well. Now the milk we just prepared, I just took 3/4 cup to 1 cup out, and then I will pour all the milk on top of the cake. You can see there are little chunks of milk solid. This is because I didn't shake my evaporated milk well. Now cover and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight is preferred. Next day you can see the whole cake is completely soaked and cake is infused with the cardamom flavor. If you like a saffron in your rasmalai, add the saffron in the milk as well. Here I already whip heavy whipping cream with some powdered sugar until it has medium to stiff peaks, and I transfer my cake onto a cutting board because I was planning to cut the cake into small pastries, but if you're serving as it is, you can just transfer it onto a cake board. Just smooth the frosting on top, and here I am just cutting the uneven edges. It's optional, and then I cut my cake into small pieces. Then I will garnish my cake with some chopped pistachio, dried rose petals. Again, you can add saffron as well. And I serve the remaining leftover milk in a creamer on the side. So not only my cake tastes like rasmalai, it will look like rasmalai as well. And if you're trying this delicious, beautiful fusion rasmalai cake at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Don't forget to check Nadia and Falak's recipe and please show them some love. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.